Adem dance crew. All right, I got the feely feels.
Oh yeah,
Feely feels.
that one got emotional.
All right, Jay, your golden buzzer. Let's hear it.
Yeah, I mean, each time you guys are so precise, so clean, so dope. This time around, you went for a more sentimental ending. I thought it was great. I think you guys really brought it. Good job.
Thank you.
All right, Angun.
Yes, you know, honestly, I'm one of those people who used to think that Kyrgyzstan is one of those discrete countries from over there, from somewhere. But now, thanks to you, I think of Kyrgyzstan as home of incredibly, insanely talented dancers. It's crazy what you can do. I mean, come on, you turn yourself into a human pretzel. It's crazy.
Thank you very much.
David.
You know, I've made a living, hopefully, with my heart. And you guys showed so much heart out there. I loved the story. It wasn't just the moves that are obviously insane, and I don't know how you do them, but the heart of your story was so beautiful. So thank you for sharing. If I was sitting at home right now, I'd vote for you guys.
Yay!
Thank you very much.
Okay, Adem dance crew, switching up the tone, more emotion. How do you feel about your performance?
We are very happy right now. It's an honor for us to standing in the final stage right here in Asia's Got Talent. So we are very appreciate everybody who support us till this day. So this is like your deserve to stand in this stage right now.